also, before we start, I did drop 1 or 2 drops of the beige gels in my palettes right here. And we are going to using Velvetty Gel brush. As one end, it's had the bristle to control and manipulating your Velvetty gels. Is really good quality of the bristles. And then the other ends, you using a spatula, so then you can get your Velvetty gels easy with no mess at all. So you can pick about mediums beads, and it's the best thing about Velvetty gels. It's really cool because there's no limits of what you can do. So if you feel like, oh my god, it's too little or too much, absolutely can add more. You can always add more on, okay? And then, or if it's too much, you can remove it. It doesn't have to be like with usually when we're doing acrylics, liquid and powders. If you're getting too much and too little, it's gonna set right away. So with Velvetty Gel, it's give you a lot of like all the time in the world to create your nail art. So I'm gonna close the Velvetty Gels. Now I'm gonna submerging my brush into the beige gels, and you can start seeing it start like setting level. I'll make sure that I can't, sorry if I don't see anyone. Can you turn it on? I can see everyone from my other's phone. I don't have a screen in front of me, so I don't see all of yours comment. But I appreciate you all so much, and I hope you're really enjoying it every single tutorial. So you can see I'm just submerging my brush into the beige gels, and you can see that is already set level beautiful for me. And then it's, you know, I'm working right in front of it. Really, like, I don't smell nothing at all, no odor at all. And really minimums of filing. A lot of swatch that I did it for you. If you're seeing it, the pictures that we did in video, I didn't even have to using the E5 and file at all. It's just like shape and buff pretty much, because it set levels really well for you. And I am going to turn it upside down. So then now, if you want to get anything else, if you want to add like some, we didn't do it before, so I'm gonna show you. You can add any of the frame as you want, as you wish. It's just randomly, but then you can encapsulate it in here. I'm gonna add some of the metal parts here because it's gonna make it like cool, stunning. I think this was the ones we did it before. I didn't add it on, but this one's the best time to do it now, because if you keep it, it's getting hardened. So this not going to go lay right inside into, I mean, a Velvetty Gel. I want some of this on. There's a, I love this metal charms that has a lot of cool things, like cool shape. I mean, look like a ninja, whatever is that. Add more if you want to. You can add beads on. The reason I didn't want to do this side because I want some crystal placements later. Okay, So now if you're happy with this, we are going to just make sure that is taper in the side, so you don't want is going to looks bulky. And then we are going to cure like a flash cure. I'm gonna turn it upside down for just a second. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. All right, looks really good though. Great, great, great. Okay, cure for 60 seconds.